and welcome back. In this video, we are going to set up Eddy Bridge. I hope you have your Pi ready for this. So, what is Eddy Bridge? Eddy Bridge is a software that runs on top of your Raspberry Pi. Eddy Bridge is composed of 2 Docker images that are updated automatically. How does it work? When you say a command to Alexa, such as Alexa, turn on TV, a signal gets sent via a secure connection to your Eddy Bridge. Eddy Bridge relays the signal to your local controller and turns on your TV. That's it. There is no port forwarding required to use Eddy Bridge. So, the cost of this varies from $70 to $100 depending on the hardware you have already. This process can take 30 to 60 minutes depending on your download speeds and other factors. I'm assuming you are going to install or have installed Raspbian OS. The Docker images take about 500 megabytes of storage, and 8 gigabytes SD card will work just fine. I went the safe route and got a Raspberry Pi 3 from Pi Hut. I also got the SD card preloaded with the Raspbian OS. The total was about $77 including an official case, charger, tax, and shipping. I am going to walk you through the setup process using this hardware. You will need a keyboard and mouse. So I went and bought this LG wireless keyboard and mouse at my favorite store, Target, for $15. I happen to have an HDMI cable, so I didn't need to buy that. So my total hardware cost was about $94. Let's get started. Insert your SD card and connect your Pi to a TV or monitor and connect your keyboard and mouse. If you have an Ethernet cable, plug it in. Okay, everything is connected and turned on. This is the first boot up, so let's install the Raspbian OS. The first thing you want to do is change your keyboard language. Then, I want to click on the Raspbian OS and click Install. Hit Yes to the pop-up. Wait for the OS to install and reboot. I'm going to fast forward this part. This could take 10 to 20 minutes depending on your micro SD card write speeds. The Pi is booting up. On your Pi, make sure you connect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. I am going to connect to my Wi-Fi. Open the browser and log in with your Eddy account on eddy.tinyelectrons.com. Type in your login credentials. I'm going to click on Remember Me, so when I reboot, I don't have to re-log in again. I'm not going to save the password right now. Next, navigate to the Controllers tab. And then click on the cloud icon to add Eddy Bridge. Accept the terms and conditions to be able to use the software. Okay, click on the Raspberry Pi link. Before we get started, we want to make sure our operating system is up to date. Copy the command by clicking on the clipboard icon and pasting the command into a terminal window. I am going to fast forward through this part. Pi to make sure there are no issues installing Docker. After the reboot, go back to the controller page and back to the setup instructions. Since you are logged in, just use your browser history. We want to install Docker. Let's copy the command and paste it into a new terminal window. Okay, next we need to add the Pi user to the Docker group, so we have to run this command. Let's copy and paste it. Okay, now we can install Docker Compose. Copy the command to install Docker Compose. Before that though, note the following message. It says you need to log out for these changes to take effect. Okay, let's install Docker Composer. Download the two files, eddy.ini and Docker Composer file. Let's go to the download directory and execute the command. Oops, it looks like it didn't work. Why is that? That's because we forgot to log out. Remember we got a warning saying we need to log out? Let's do that. Re-log in. Okay, let's go back to the download folder. You can press arrow up on your keyboard for the last command. Okay, this part takes a while, so I'm going to fast forward again. And you're done. Eddy Bridge is online and connected, but it takes about 2 to 3 minutes to see Eddy Bridge online on the website. Let's go back to the controller page and hit the refresh button. If it doesn't work, wait a minute and hit refresh again. Great! Once you see the green icon next to Eddy Bridge, you are good to go. You can now scan for local controllers. Thanks, and see you next time.